Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Guru. Finally friends, I'm back with unboxing review of the Realme mobile game triggers. Yes friends, recently the Realme did launch the Cooling Clip Neo and the mobile game triggers in the Realme website, and the Realme gaming triggers you can actually get for about 699 rupees. You can clearly see so the price of this game triggers which has got, and for the 699 I mean 700 rupees, is it worth it to buy the physical game triggers or not? That's what I'm going to exactly show you. But right now let's do the unboxing and initial setup I'll try to do in this video, and after using for a couple of days then I'll try to come back with a complete review on the Realme game triggers. And I do have the POCO F3 GT with me, which has got the inbuilt triggers you can see in the POCO F3 GT. But let's see when compare with those how well this gonna perform. So I'll try to do the unboxing first. And this is my first gaming triggers friends, which I did order online. So I never used gaming triggers before. So I did use the pressure sensitive triggers in the iQOO 3 ROG Phone 3 and in the POCO F3 GT with the physical triggers, but I did not buy separate triggers. So it's my first time buying the separate triggers, and along with the box we don't get any kind of paper. I think we do get the papers, and there's a small pouch which we do get. Not bad in terms of the quality wise, it looks kind of good. I'll try to use to put some maybe earphones, not the game triggers. That looks really good, not bad. And I'll try to take out this one. Let me try to remove this triggers. Yes, keep everything over there. And these are the triggers friends, which are the game triggers which we do have, mechanism and everything. It looks really good. Let's see how well this gonna fit to the mobile phone. That's what I'm going to demonstrate right now in this phone. So which is a Realme GT, which I'm going to demonstrate. And the Realme GT recently did receive the Realme UI 3.0. So if you want, you can follow the playlist which are created for the Realme UI 3.0 as well. You'll get to know more details about those. But let's start with the initial setup process. Let me to open the Battlegrounds mobile game. And there's a small indication saying that left and right. As you can see, there's a small indication which says left and right as well. Clearly you will be able to see it. And right now I did do the setup process. As you can see friends, clearly it did fit exactly kind of good, no problem. I think it's coming under the camera, but I can change the positions and I can remap also, no problem. But that doesn't matter much. And there's a small protection layer as well, so it doesn't damage the camera, so no need to worry. The small kind of smooth surface is there. Right now let me need to check. Oh, it's kind of really good, no problem. As you can see friends, the response, you can see the response how it is. You hear this kind of tactile sound as well. That's really good to hear this kind of sound. Let's do the normal gameplay test for a couple of minutes. Wow, it looks really good friends, not bad. The initial impressions. As you can see, the sound also looks really good. It's really fast response as well. As you can see friends, 4 kills. I never did this many kills, I think, in the video of demonstration. Not bad in terms of the gameplay. Overall, it's really smooth friends. In terms of the gameplay, I did like the triggers overall. I'm going to use for a couple of days and then I'll try to update you what is happening with the overall gameplay. But it's really very sensitive. Very. I'm not that good at gaming, so don't judge my gaming, please. As you can see friends, overall the gameplay is really good, not bad. As you can see friends, overall the gameplay looks really good. And that's it friends, thank you for watching. This is a quick unboxing and initial setup review as well. And in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section. Definitely I will be able to do those kind of reviews as soon as possible in my channel. I did like the feeling of using this sound. Yes, it's very good. It's very good, friends. Overall instant preferences were really great. So now let me try to show you the what is happening with this under the camera protection. What is going on? Let's remove. So you need to just press it and just remove it. Yes. And there's a small surface which provides the smooth. Yes, yes. As you can see, this is the surface, which is not that hard surface. Basically, it's kind of really smooth surface, which is happening in this area. So no need to worry about the camera getting damaged or anything, nothing at all. It won't get damaged because you're getting that kind of layer which is present, which will definitely protect. And it's very easy to remove as well. So it's really good, friends, using this kind of triggers. I did enjoy this kind of triggers, and the sound also is very, response is also really good. Response is good, pretty good. And this is a quick gameplay test, friends. And in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely, I'll be able to do this kind of gameplay reviews. There's another game which I'm trying to play at this moment. You can see how sensitive it is. It's really good. Playing in this phone, not bad. Definitely, friends, it feels really good playing. It's very smooth. I'll definitely use this one, and I'll try to use a cooling clip as well, which I did order from the Realme. So Realme cooling clip also I did receive today itself. Which there should be somewhere around here, the cooling clip. So this is a Realme cooling clip. As you can see, cooling clip Neo, which I did get today. And I'll definitely do those kind of testings as well. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested to know more updates. But overall, it feels really good. Not bad. It's very sensitive as well. Can you hear the sound coming, which is really good and relaxing sound. I did like this sound tactile feeling, which is pretty good. I'll definitely do my research, friends, on this one. I'll try to install and try to use personally, and then I'll try to come back with full review on this gaming triggers after using for a couple of days. Then we'll be able to understand what is happening. And overall, this kind of combination looks kind of really dope. I can definitely say that. Using this with the Realme cooling system and using the triggers, wow. This is a kind of perfect gameplay, I would say, but this will definitely increase the weight of this overall phone. I think above 300 grams or maybe something like that. Let's check the weight, how much it can be. Oh, 287 grams. Overall weight of this complete phone, including the cooling fan and including all the triggers and everything. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. This is a quick review on the unboxing and the initial impression setup review using the gaming triggers. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and let's try more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.